Hi, I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today I'm going to show you 2 different ways to turn tubes. You're probably wondering, why do I need to turn a tube? Well, it could be a strap for a dress, it could be a really long tie for a belt, or maybe you're making a scrunchie. There are so many different times you're going to need to turn a tube, and I'm going to show you 2 different methods that are so easy. If you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and following along on my sewing adventures. Also, I'm now teaching virtual sewing classes and sewing lessons in person. You can find more information for those and sign up at sewinganastasia.com. The first method is super easy, and all you need is a safety pin. And for this method, you need to make sure your tube is open on both ends. For the safety pin method, you want to open up your safety pin and go ahead and just pin one side of the tube and close the end of your safety pin. And now you want to take the head of the safety pin and push it into the tube. And now what you want to do is feel for it and keep pushing it through the tube and bunching up the fabric and pulling it off of the end. The hardest part about this is starting it. So push and pull. Push and pull, push it and pull it till it comes out the other end, and then you should easily be able to turn it right side out. How easy was that? All we need to do is give it a good press and our little strap is ready. So quick and fast, right? And everybody can do it because all you need is a safety pin, and everybody's got a safety pin laying around. For the next method, we are gonna use the Dritz tube turner. And this one is my favorite ever because it's so fast. And if you're doing a really long tube, it works great for it. For this method, we need to close one end of the tube. And now once you have one end closed, we're gonna take the blue piece and we're going to insert it into the tube all the way to the bottom. And once it gets all the way to the bottom, we're gonna take the other piece, which is a wooden rod, and we're going to put it into the blue tube. And if you're watching this, you can see how it's getting pushed into the tube. It's disappearing. And now it's coming out the other side, and the tube is turned that quick. And now that we have that little rod in there, we can use that to push out our corners of the tube, which I just love. And then we can just take that rod out, and we've got a tube. We've got another strap here. How easy was that? We turned 2 tubes in what, I don't know, 10 seconds? So easy. These methods are awesome, and I highly suggest trying them next time you need to turn a tube. Tubular. If you have any questions on turning tubes, go ahead and leave that down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and let me know what your favorite part was down below in the comments. And if you turn some tubes, make sure you tag me in them so that way I can repost them in my stories and share your creativity with everyone else. If you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and watching all of my sewing videos. And if you don't already follow me on social media, make sure you check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and all those other social media websites so that way we can stay connected and inspiring each other. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!